So hello everybody, I'm going to be going over LeetCode Problem 287, find the duplicate number. So it says given an array of integers nums containing n plus 1 integers where each integer is in the range 1 to n inclusive. There is only one repeated number in nums and we have to return this repeated number. You must solve the problem without modifying the array nums and use only constant extra space. So basically all we're doing is we have one number in the whole array that is in there twice, and we need to find that number and return it. So the first solution that I'm going to go over is a brute force solution, but this is not going to be optimal, but you could improve this solution by working from it, right? So the brute force solution would be using two for loops, right? Iterating over the array twice. And the way this would look is basically, so I have my array here, and that was in this example 1, right? So our first for loop is going to get the number that we're looking for, which is going to start off at 1, right? So we select 1, that's the first for loop. Now the second for loop, we're going to check the rest of the array to see if there's another 1, right? So we go loop through the array, no 1, right? So we continue. Now we're selecting numbers 3. We iterate through the whole array again. Here, no other 3. Now we're at 4. Iterate, nope, just 2s. Now we're at 2. Oh, we found 2, right? So now we're returning 2. That's our duplicate number. So now let me kind of show how this would look in Python here, right? Really simple. For I in range, right? The length of our array nums. And we'll just say current number equals nums I, right? And now we're going to do our second for loop. So for j in range I plus 1, and then we'll do length of nums, right? Because we don't want to iterate over this current number again, so that's why we're doing I plus 1. And then we just do if nums j equals the current number, then we'll return nums j. And so this is going to work for these two basic test cases, I believe, right? But now what happens when we have 5,000 numbers in our array and the last number is the duplicate number in the array, right? It's going to take really a long time. The time complexity of this would be O of n squared, right? And I mean, this is not optimal, right? This is going to take a longer time to process the algorithm, right? Because if we click submit, it's not going to give us a pass because it's going to give us a long array, I'm sure, here. See, it's already taken a while. Come on. See, there we go. Look at this huge array. So O of n squared would take literally forever to go through this whole thing, and you can see it says time limit exceeded. So now what's another maybe better optimal solution that still uses constant extra space? The best one I think of could be using a set, right? I'm going to draw this out. Let me see. How do I just reverse all this? Yada, yada, yada. And actually, we will kind of keep 4 of these, right? Okay. So let me move this over. All right. So I'm going to draw my set. And a set does not have duplicate numbers, right? So this is our set, right? Starting off, let me actually make this a little more viewable. Actually, yeah, I'll erase this. And I will draw it here. Okay, so this is our set, right? It's going to start off empty. And so each time we visit a number, we're just going to iterate through the array once, and we're going to add it to the set, right? So we start off at our number 1, right? So we check, is 1 in the set? It's not, right? So then we add 1. Now we're at 3. Is 3 in the set? Nope. So we're going to add 3. Now we're at 4. Is 4 in the set? Nope. So we add 4. is 2 in the set? Nope. So we add 2. Is 2 in the set? Yes. So then therefore we are going to return 2, right? And that's an O of n solution. It's linear time, and we're still using constant space with the set. So this solution is a lot more optimal than your iterating over the array twice, right? So let me do this in Python. So we'll do scene equals set, right? So empty set, and then we're just going to iterate through the array once. So for I in range, length of nums, right? And we'll do if set, or if nums I in scene, then we're going to return nums I. If not, then we're just going to do scene.add nums I. And that's a very simple solution here. And like I said, this is O of n, linear time, so a lot more optimal than iterating over the array twice. So let me click run to see if our first 2 test cases pass. So they did. And then we'll click submit. And there you go. This has passed. So yeah, there's other ways to solve this. You could even use a dictionary as well. But I like using sets personally for this problem. But yeah, I hope I was able to teach you something new and see if you can try to figure out how to solve this problem in maybe different ways. But yeah, thanks for watching.